Good morning. Happy Monday, June 1st. Welcome to a brand new month. Markets, and here's your full market update in plain English. May was extraordinary. 9 straight weeks of gains, all-time highs across the board. If you had a 401k or any kind of index fund, May was a great month for your family on paper. But now comes June, and historically, June is the worst month for stocks, especially in election years. After big rallies, investors lock gains in, markets consolidate, volatility picks up. Your winners in May become vulnerable in June. So be aware, not panicked, just aware. This is sort of like part of our preparation or education for what's coming next in this June. Top 5 things moving your money. Number 1, Iran. Over the weekend, the US bomb radar in drone sites in Iran after Tehran shot down an American drone. Oil is climbing this morning on that news anyway. The Iran deal markets were betting on still isn't done. President Trump said Iran must agree to never develop nuclear weapons, and that remains the sticking point. Until it's resolved, energy prices stay high, and high energy means higher prices on everything your family basically buys. Number 2, job reports Friday. This is the biggest number of the week. Strong jobs mean the Fed stay cautious on rate cuts. Weak jobs mean rate cuts, hopes come back. Either way, it moves the markets really fast. Watch this Friday morning. Dollar General reports are going to be about earnings Tuesday. This is one that tells us and everybody how families are actually spending money right now. When Dollar General struggles, Main Street is struggling. Pay attention to this one. Number 4, oil. Brent crude is climbing back up this morning on Iran escalating. 2 weeks ago, it dropped to $92 on ceasefire hopes. Today, it's heading back up. Number 5, June seasonality. Historically, the S&P 500 averages 0.6% return in June. The stocks that ran hardest in May, your AI names, your tech leaders, are most vulnerable to selling this month. So if you're heavily concentrated in tech, be aware of what June historically does to these positions. May felt incredible, but one great month doesn't mean your family's protected, right? So if the market dropped 20% tomorrow, would your family be okay? Not your portfolio, your family, your income, your mortgage, your kid's future. That's the one that we're talking about. Records don't pay your mortgage if your income stops. Records don't protect your kids if something happens to you suddenly or unexpectedly. Records don't replace your paycheck. Okay? Your plan does. That's the key factor. The families who sleep well through months like June didn't predict the market. They built a plan before the chaos started. Income protection, emergency savings, and a strategy that works whether markets go up, down, or sideways. That's what we build at Prospirion. So when you're thinking about what's going on in the market right now and where you should be, it's easy. Just book your free 15-minute call. You can do it right at prospirion.com/calendar. No pitch, no pressure. Just a real conversation about where your family stands right now. Just remember this always. The market has its weeks. Make sure your family has its plans. See you soon.